Home buyers in Bengaluru who have always eyed central Bengaluru as their dream destination, they now have reason to cheer. Areas in and around Magadi Road have a robust real estate market of apartments and plotted developments, and it's the presence of the metro rail that's driving Magadi Road's growth. Lakshmi Sivadas reviews this micro market.
Basvaraj Channaya is an industrialist working in Bengaluru's Peenya industrial area. The 50-year-old currently lives over 20 kilometers away from his place of work, all the way in JP Nagar for lack of quality living options near Peenya itself. However, today things have changed with the rise of real estate in neighbouring Magadi Road, where he has decided to buy a home with Salarpuria Sattva.
This is just parallel to the ring road, and the ring road is connecting all over across the Bangalore. And of course, it is also near to the International Exhibition Center, and it's very close to many industrial areas. That's the reason we are planning to invest, because we spend a lot of time in industrial area for our business.
Industrial employees like Basvaraj are considering the Magadi Road area for its connectivity to the rest of Bengaluru, while at the same time being close to the city's industrial corridors like Peenya and Tumkur. The Magadi Road market runs through Vijayanagar, Basveshwar Nagar, Rajaji Nagar and Hosahalli. The big factor propelling the region's growth today is the presence of the recently completed metro station at Magadi Road.
If you want to come to the Nice Road, it will take 5 minutes. And Nice Road is almost connected to the city, almost 75% I can say it is connected to the city. From there, if you want to go Mysore Road, from there if you want to go Tumkur Road, it's a 5-minute drive from there. And for businessmen and industry, all is situated there, it will be very good.
Magadi Road is also today seeing the interest of the city's top developers like Provident Housing, Gopalan Enterprises, the Prestige Group and Mahavir Reddy Structures. Prices for projects here start at about 4,000 rupees a square foot. Investors, meanwhile, have been receiving annualized returns of about 7% over the last 2.5 years.
There is a fair amount of land, a lot of mills in that particular area, all the way right up to Tumkur. There is a lot of industrial land also that is available, and some of the Sikh industries existing in that particular micro market. So you will see a lot of them looking at commercial development in the coming years.
What Magadi Road awaits, however, is premium to mid-segment retail outlets, malls and top hospitals.
Experts expect commercial real estate to pick up in this region only in the next 36 months. Until then, they say that the home buyers here will primarily remain from the industrial sector. From Bengaluru, Lakshmi Sivadas for NDTV.